The oral argument last Friday was consistent with this. The question in my mind was really was this going to be unanimous? I thought there was a chance TikTok could win a couple justices. With looking quickly at the opinion here, it looks like the court wrote a per curiam a decision for all 9 justices. There were a couple concurring opinions from Justice Sotomayor and Justice Gorsuch, but both of those they expressed a different view, but they went along with the judgment. So this is a 9-0 loss for TikTok. This is what we expected after the appellate court ruled against TikTok earlier this year. The Supreme Court is doing exactly what that appellate court said, and so the law remains in place. The ban takes effect on Sunday.
Well, Matthew, in your note, you mentioned that Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer was signaling support for a ban extension. What does it look like now that we've heard that the Supreme Court will be upholding this ban?
Yeah, so the logical way for this ban to go away is not the president issuing an executive order. The president can't change federal laws by executive order. What he can do is convince Congress to change course. And I think TikTok got its first real good news yesterday when the Democrats' leader in the Senate, Chuck Schumer, came out and said, look, there's real concerns about TikTok, and we still need to force a sale, but let's give them more time. And when you have Chuck Schumer for the Democrats and President Trump for the Republicans both saying that, to me, it's a pretty good sign that Congress is going to find a solution to extend this, to push it back at the very least. The problem, though, is that the timing here, this takes effect on Sunday. And Congress is, unless they have unanimous support in the Senate to do this, I don't think they can do it very quickly. It takes a matter of days to debate these provisions. And so the harder question is practically when Congress can get this done with the ban looming and set to take effect on Sunday.
The other question is who would buy it. Morgan Stanley actually saying that Amazon could be a good suitor for TikTok. We heard the Chinese government saying that, well, maybe if they sold it to Musk. What do you think?
Yeah, the big question is what are they selling, and will ByteDance sell anything to me? Because there's real doubts, I think, that ByteDance would ever agree to a sale of the algorithm, or that China would concur with that. And so that's the first question of what are we even buying here, and is that resulting product going to have the secret sauce that makes TikTok what it is? And so I find it difficult to speculate about that, given we don't know what could be for sale here, and there's a real possibility that ByteDance is not going to be in a position to do a sale at all. So far, they're if they succeed in Congress in pushing this back, maybe they keep playing hardball and not seriously considering a sale.